If you have clicked this video, I know you have watched the classic 4 ways of getting leads multiple times and you still don't have any. Not because you are lazy, but those methods assume that you already have leverage. And if you are broke, you don't. Period. The fourth 4 assumes that you already have an ad budget, an audience, referrals, brand authority. And if you don't, you are just trying to run a marathon without even learning how to walk. Which means you don't need more strategies. You need leverage which you can control. And the fastest way to build leverage when you are broke is to build something so valuable that people feel stupid saying no to give their email or contact option. That's where a damn good lead magnet comes in, which could be a free PDF, but a video increases your chances of conversion. And if you make 4 to 5 videos around the topic, combine it with a free lead magnet, a PDF basically, what could be better than that? Your audience will literally throw your money at you. So how will you make it? Let's get started. First, you need to know that a lead magnet serves 3 main purposes. Reveal a problem, give a free demo of something, or a solution of a bigger problem, but with only a single step, not the entire thing. If yours does none of these things, you are done. So make sure that it follow either one or more of the purposes. So it will have more effect on your audience. Now give it a topic and a name, and that's where the value equation comes in, which is dream outcome times perceived likelihood of achievement divided by time delay and the effort and sacrifice it takes your audience to get to the result. And that's what gives value. Once you have that high value thing, it's perfect to name your PDF or a lead magnet the exact way. Here's a mental cue. Think of a lead magnet as a free drug sample. The better it is, the more chances of someone buying the stuff. Now you have your drug, the lead magnet, but the new problem arises no one knows about your drug. So we need to tell people. Let's solve it. Let's pull the core 4 methods and discuss which box should be cancelled and which not. First, warm outreach, the best way according to Alex Hormozy of getting clients. But if you're small and no one trusts you, your friends and family will not buy also. They will just make some random excuses and just banish you. So warm outreach is cancelled. Number 2, paid ads, one of the best methods if you have the money, which you don't. And neither you have skills or time to manage the ads while also operating a business. So we are also cancelling it out, which left us with cold outreach and free content. One is the slower but compounding asset and one is the fast and dynamic asset. So let's get best of the both worlds. Posting free content like this video you are watching, or maybe the LinkedIn articles, X articles, Instagram reels you watch, that all comes under the category of free content. But as we discussed in the previous video, that this growth from 0 to 1K and beyond is slow. So we are not going to talk about that in this video. This video is just for the cold outreach. For cold outreach, you need a lead magnet, and which we just made. So let's stop the hesitation factor, which is DMing your ideal clients and finding them. Now there are 3 more ways you can get leads to cold outreach. Hire agencies, use a software, or manually scrape them. Now agencies is another expensive stuff, so we're just keeping it out. Software also takes time to learn and it's again cost you money, so we are keeping it on the shelf. What we are left with, manual scraping. Let me show you an example of a fitness creator who is trying to help skinny teenagers gain muscle. So if he posts free content, his comment section might be full of skinny guys who are trying to gain muscle, and he could just manually DM them. But don't worry if you don't get any comments. Just go to a bigger fitness creator page like Alex Eubank or Sam Chile and look for their comment section. You will find your ideal clients. Comments like, bro, I need to gain weight, I am just a skinny dude. Just like those. Those comments are gold for you. Store them in an Excel sheet and just start DMing them manually. And make sure your DMs are personalized, because more personalization means more conversion, but it also costs you more time. So just keep it in a moderation so that you just know their name, a problem they have, and then you DM them. That's it. In your message, state their problem and ask if they would like to have a lead magnet to solve their problem. Remember, do not send the lead magnet until they say yes. And remember to follow up every 48 to 72 hours until they say no to message them or agree for the lead magnet. That's the rule. Then ask if they would like to have a free consultation call with you. And that call is your golden window to close them. So let's set the standard numbers. You DM 100 people, out of which 20 to 30 will reply back. 4 to 5 will agree to get on the call, and out of that 4 to 5 people, you will close at least one deal out. Now I know it's hard to message 100 people just to get one reply, but here's the quote I have heard. It's hard and no one cares, so keep doing the stuff you are meant to do. In the next video, I will tell you about my experience with inbound leads as a fitness creator with just around 1k followers. So here's what I want you to do now. Go to comment section, drop your offer or cold DM script and let others improve it. And if you are serious, I have linked the full blueprint I have used to structure this video and the lead method. Just check the link in description and you will get there.